Today, I'll show you how to set the language on Expedia so the site appears in the language you're most comfortable with. This is especially helpful if you're planning trips in different countries or sharing your account with someone who prefers another language. We'll go through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're signed into your Expedia account. Open your browser, go to the Expedia website, and log in using your usual details. Being signed in isn't always strictly required just to view the site in another language, but it's a good idea because your preferences are more likely to be saved to your profile and remain consistent as you browse, book, and manage your trips. Once you're signed in, look toward the top of the page. You're looking for a small flag icon in the header area. This icon usually represents your current region or language setting. It might be on the top right side of the page, near your account name or profile icon, depending on your device and screen size. When you see the flag icon, click it. This opens a small menu that controls a few important display options for your Expedia experience. After clicking, you should see three main sections or labels: region, language, and currency. These work together to tailor the site to your preferences. Region usually refers to the country or area whose travel deals and content you want to see. Currency determines how prices are shown. And language, which we're focusing on here, controls the main language used across the site, including menus, buttons, and most on-screen text. Within this menu, locate the language selector. It might appear as a drop-down list or a clickable field that shows your current language. Go ahead and click the language selector. This will expand a list of available languages supported by Expedia. You'll typically see a range of common global languages, and depending on your region, you may also see local variations. Now, scroll through the list and choose your preferred language. Take a moment to make sure you're picking the exact version you want. For example, if there are regional variations of a language, choose the one that best matches your location or comfort level. When you click your chosen language, that selection will be applied to your session. After you select the language, the site will reload automatically with the new language setting applied. This refresh may take a moment, so don't worry if the page briefly goes blank or shows a loading indicator. Once it's done, you should notice that menu labels, navigation items, and most text across the page are now displayed in the language you selected. From here, you can continue browsing, searching for flights, hotels, or vacation packages as usual, but now in the language that suits you best. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat this process. Sign in, click the flag icon at the top, open the language selector, choose a different language, and let the site reload. That's all there is to it. By adjusting the language setting through the flag icon at the top of the page, you make Expedia easier and more comfortable to use every time you plan a trip.